morning, Jamaica and the wider Caribbean. My name is MacGyver Donnellan. We are here from Antigua as Crabs Raceway, Antigua. We presently have 10 BMW 318s here taking part in the CMRC Group 1 at Jam West. Yesterday was a very fun day for us. We drove in the dry in the morning, had some very good results, and later in the evening in torrential rains we had the opportunity to go out and show our talent, if you want to call it that. It's been an unbelievable trip so far. I must say the camaraderie, meeting all the other drivers from the different places, Jamaica being the most wonderful host, and the officials, marshals, everybody involved here at Jam West has really given us quite a warm welcome. We have one car, Mr. Doug Gore, that is racing in a BMW with us, and we're glad that we have somebody else. It's been said or asked why we came so far to race against ourselves, but I must say that this is a first-time experience for most of us, and definitely we've never had our cars on asphalt or in the torrential rain like we did yesterday. So we like to say thanks to 876 Streets for carrying us live, and all of you in Antigua, keep looking. We're representing. We're going to give you all the best show ever, and we're going to be talked about everywhere after this meet. Love, peace, and respect.
Ronald Spencer here, representing Antigua, Wadadley, Crabs Raceway, Antigua Street Mischief, the whole crew, the whole island. Yeah, we're the overall winner, first place in every race. Yesterday was crazy, today even sweeter. And final race, competitive throughout. Was a really good experience, and looking forward to come again. And yeah, we could keep Jamaica and all other islands under control.
And again, how could we have not mentioned Seaboard Marine? Seaboard, this event is sponsored by Seaboard Marine. Everyone wants to transport these cars across the region. Alright, the standing start for the CMRC Group 1 race, the green lights. Let me tell you, the Jam West Motorsport and Adventure Farm brings certain innovations to Jamaica. Don't even know green flag name. Lights, modern times, Jamaica Race Drivers Club, Instagram and WhatsApp and all these things. So, all the results. Download the Speed Hive app available in the Google Play Store, and you can get all the race results. You're going to look for Jamaica. There's a list of countries. You're going to look for Jamaica, and then you're going to look for Seaboard Marine, CMRC Round 1 Jam West. The results are already online. I'm looking at them on my phone. I've been since last night. So all the results are there on the Speed Hive app. Alright. So MacGyver, camera 5, Spencer, Doug Gore and what they call the tire warehouse VIP section. Now it's actually the Texaco GD VIP section. Car number 4, Doug Gore 24. Janina Ewinga 107. MacGyver, the blue one leading the race, car number 45. Max, car number 21. Richard Fletcher, car number 5. Rocco Falcone, car number 2. Ronald Spencer, car 8. Tom Hellier, car number 28, and Xavier Ross, car number 24. Sorry, Ross is car number 26. So car number 45, MacGyver leads, Spencer car number 8, second, Falcone, third, Moorman 8, the Moore moving inside. have mineral bath, you have zip line, you have ATV, you have horseback riding, you have petting zoo, you have Avery. For those of you who don't understand the Queen's English, Avery means the place like I'm telling you about a bird. So, yeah, but I'm telling you, I'm cook. No, I'm cook. I'm just saying that. Yeah, so I'm cooking the whole bird. Yes, so take a little bit of them, but then we'll feed the bird and then they cook. Yeah, some big rabbit and some goat and some sheep and some donkey and all kind of stuff to the there. Then when they get tired of that, throw them in the pool. Antigua is dirt. They've been driving these cars for a little while now. They're in Antigua, car number 45. Dr. Makai Madonna, he leads the race. Car number 9, he's in second place. That's Carlo Falcone. The green car, he is challenging Doug Gore for third place. He's on the outside, Doug's on the inside, and as became third for the time being. That car number 8, that was our Spencer. He was leading first. Ronald Spencer is now in fourth. And car number 28, that is Thomas Elliott. We are side by Alright. But the thing said it's carrying on my way to the faster than this. Runner, Spencer. The team carry faster than this. Look for again, but then still look. Crowd of people, grandstand. People, you see the Jamaican, they try hard to spin out man, he reached second. My guy was there. He is car number 45.
And that's the purplish dark one. If you're confused about the colors.
Alright, so the 8 and the 45 and 28. 28 is Thomas here. Yes, those are the 3 leaders on this race. So the man started drifting and I'm showing the show off about my show up with this race. Alright, come in you. Roll it down. Car number 8. Alright, look at that, close for second. Cars coming side by side. Turn to go second, turn. Check that flag. People, really nice, really sweet this day.
Hello again, Jamaica. If you've been following us online and you've been watching what's going on and the rest of the wider Caribbean, as we said earlier, you should have seen the excitement that we tried to provide for you guys. Now, I am MacGyver from Antigua. It's my colleague Tom Hellier and the team manager, Mr. Dreddy Fletcher. We are really happy to be here. We had the most awesome and amazing time. As you can see, I was a star at the track until my goose got cooked. But as we say, you know, you have already seen the champion today, Ronald Spencer, who is the wild goose. And you know, here we have the shotgun, and I guess I'm the pressure cooker. But we're doing what we can. This has brought us to another level of excitement and entertainment, and really put us in touch with racing like we've never seen before. So, to introduce ourselves again, Tom and I started a track in Antigua which is called Crabs Raceway. See us on Facebook at Crabs Raceway Antigua. We started a rally sprint. We drive the BMW 318s, which are part of another Caribbean series called the Bima Cup Series. And we have extended ourselves to try and join the CMRC at the moment. One day, we're going to bring it all together. It's going to be action-packed racing. It is the best entry-level racing that anyone can get involved in. Unfortunately, we were in the car when I think the crowds were jumping out of their seats, as I hear. You know, and it was action. And fortunately for us, I think we had the most fun on the track today because it's all even. All even, talent only. Some days, one of us would have been in the back. Another day, we're in the front. But hey, this is real racing. So we invite you to visit our website. We invite you to go to 876 Streets to see what they're doing and how well they're putting this whole thing together. And hey, follow us, join, come and get involved. Enough respect.
That's one. Later. Thanks, guys.
big up 876 Streets, Antigua people, Antigua Streets, Street Mischief crew. Big up everybody.